Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, I will solve a question of trigonometric equation, which is a challenging question, and it is from the syllabus of Additional Mathematics O level. And you can see here on the top my blog address and my website address. You may find many useful videos which will help you in your learning journey. So let's begin with the question. The question is talking about sketch the graph of y is equals to cos x modulus and y is equals to 3 sin x plus 1 on the same diagram for the domain 0 degree to 360 degree. And after drawing those sketches, you have to find out the number of solution for these equations. So with the help of those graphs, we will find the solution of number of solutions of these equations. So let's begin. So first step is we will sketch the graph of y is equals to modulus cos x. And after that, we will sketch the graph of y is equals to 3 sin x plus 1. Now, the technique to sketch the graph of y is equals to modulus cos x, temporarily you will forget about modulus and just sketch y is equals to cos x. And I will put the link of the video in which I have explained very much in detail the sketches of cos x, sin x, and tan x. So here I will go a little fast about it. My focus will be on this basically, because these sketches I have explained in detail in the other videos. So y is equals to cos x we will describe here, sketch here first. And we know that for y is equals to cos x, on the axis of the curve passes through 90 degree and 270 degree. And maximum value is at 0 degree and at 360 degree. And minimum value is at 180 degree and it is 1 and minus 1. Now, after that, because the question was modulus of cos x, right? So part of the curve which is below the x-axis, we will reflect in the x-axis. So this part which is here, I will reflect in the x-axis. Just a minute. So this part I have sketched here. So this is the sketch of y is equals to modulus cos x, and you will remove this bottom part from here. So this is the sketch of it. Now after that, you have to sketch y is equals to 3 sin x plus 1. Now again, we know this gives us amplitude. This number gives us axis of the curve, which is also called a principal axis. And if we add 1 plus 3, we get maximum point. If we subtract 1 minus 3, we get minimum point. So all this I have explained in my sign sketching video. You can see it in the description, link in the description. So now let me explain here. I'm sketching y is equals to 3 sin x plus 1, right? Initially, I'm telling you how to sketch it here. Later, I will merge the two in the same diagram, because the question is saying sketch it on the same diagram, right? So first I have told you how to sketch y is equals to modulus cos x. Now we are doing 3 sin x plus 1. Axis of the curve is at 1, and we know that in sine graph, from the axis of the curve passes through 0 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. And maximum is at 90 degree, which will be 4, I have marked here. Minimum is at 270 degree, which will be minus 2 in this case, I have marked here. Now, after that, I will join all these points. So now this is the graph of 3 sin x plus 1, and this is the graph of cos x. Now we have to sketch it in the same diagram basically. So now if you see, this was 3 sin x plus 1, the red one, and this graph I am sketching here, right? Maximum is 1, if you see here, and minimum is 0. Right, so I have just made this graph or sketched this graph here. Now, after sketching this, we have to solve this part. Now, the question is saying find the number of solution for this equation. I'm talking about part 1 first. Now, we all know that when two equations are equal to each other, these are trigonometric equations, functions. When they are equal to each other, it means the number of intersection of these sketches. So I will see the sketch and I will see at how many places it is intercepting. But the point here is, did I sketch this curve? I didn't sketch this curve. I sketch only this part. And did I sketch this curve? Yes, I did. So what about this 2 here? So then what we will do, we will expand it like algebra. You can see here. So 3 sin x plus 3, and then 2 will go here. It will be plus 1. Now this is the curve I have sketched in red, and this is the curve I have sketched in blue. So it means the solution of this equation is actually the solution of this equation. So they are same thing. The way it is written is different, but it is actually same thing. So once you will show that this equation and this equation is same, it is just the manipulation of the terms. So number of solutions we see here are how many? 1, 2, 3. So these two curves are intercepting at 3 points. So I will say number of solution is equals to 3. Question is not saying find the solution. Question is saying find the number of solution. So we just have to see at how many places it is intercepting. Now, part B. To solve part B, if you see within the modulus, you have actually two functions, sec x and 3 sin x plus 1. And according to algebra, we know if we have two terms within modulus, we can write it separately like this. Right? So I will, instead of sec x, I will use the identity 1 over cos x. And this is 3 sin x plus 1. Now these are my two terms. I'm writing them separately. Right? And now after that, just like algebra, because this is root carry, modulus 1. And this is modulus cos x, which is actually 1 over modulus of cos x, right? So here I have 1 over modulus of cos x, and if I cross multiply, then it will become 3 sin x plus 1 modulus is equals to modulus of cos x. Now this sketch, blue, is already here, which we have done earlier. But this we have not done. We have done this without modulus. If you see what we have sketched here in red is actually 3 sin x plus 1. It is without modulus. So what comes in your mind? What will you do? You will simply reflect the part of the curve which is below the x-axis in the x-axis. So this below part will be reflected up here, right? So, so once I will reflect it, now this part you will erase. This part you will erase. So now this is your curve. This green part, sorry, red part and green part is representing this, and blue cos x is representing by this. You have to find number of solutions. So you will see at how many places it is intersecting. So it is intersecting here, 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 here. So there are 5 solutions for this equation. So at a glance, it was looking like we have some different equations, but after simplifying it, we realized that it is exactly the same thing which we have sketched. So we just found the number of solution. Here we had to do little alteration in the graph, but we found number of solution. So I hope it makes sense to you. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe it if you have learned something from it, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.